Hey everyone, this is Kathir, UX designer. I'm going to talk about UI anti-patterns today. So, what is mean by UI anti-patterns? We define UI pattern, style guide, elements to form user interface to make simple, intuitive, and beautiful in aesthetic. So we can adhere usability guidelines and design principles to improve the usability and user experience. However, some designers mistakenly define some UI patterns that will become hindrance to users. So we call these wrong patterns as anti-patterns. Anti-patterns may trigger users to reach the wrong target or will become an impediment to reaching the goal. So let's discuss about few anti-UI patterns that are making usability issues today. The first one is unintended routing. We see many websites routing users to different websites that they unexpected. So designers or product owners may have a tricky selling approach, taking users without prior confirmation to other websites and advertising the products. But this approach increases untrust and dissatisfaction. Then links and clicks. So website text links are badly designed buttons which doesn't have affordance as this is clickable. Some text links are ambiguous and users may not identify until they hover on the text that is clickable. So the badly designed buttons and links lead users to miss out some action items and links. The next one is tiny hit area. So the user struggled to interact with the tiny links and small icon based navigation when elements have a small hit area. So I would like to point out Fitts law here. It states that the time to move your cursor to target is a function of the distance to the target and its size. So making interaction hit area wider helps the user to achieve the target very fast. If we fail on this, it will make users frustrated and decrease the efficiency of the interaction. The next one is form input and labeling. So form elements like checkboxes and radio buttons, missed labeling or improper labeling may bring an inability to identify the content and actions. Some input types are not defined as proper data types and missing placeholder text which will bring hindrance to the user to fill the form efficiently. The next one is crowded and overloaded data. So there are many dashboards, e-commerce website home pages provide a lot of crowded information and action items. The crowded and overloaded information could confuse users where they need to click or view. It will increase cognitive load and slow down the interaction with the website. So users may feel difficulty in identifying the right information that they need. So to avoid crowd and overload data, designers can define use cases clearly for right target users. Information architecture and content can be organized based on the target users. The next one is bloated user interface. The bloated user interface tries to incorporate as many features and content as can possibly fit in within the page folder. The cramped content and features confuse the user and will impact the conversion. So the patterns and UI elements should have a unambiguous connotations to increase the conversion rate and satisfy the end user. Also, we need to take care content overload, which reduces user focus and creates friction on interaction. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment here. We'll see you next video.